There is an easy way to receive Dogs meme coin airdrop just for using Telegram. Open the bot. Use Dogs House bot with my referral link in the description. Get started. Click on Wow, let's go. Account check. The bot will check your account data like age, activity, premium, and OG status. Continue. I've been using this Telegram account for 2 years and I'm in the top 70% of users. Continue. I received 2,278 Dogs rewards just for my time on Telegram. Continue. You can see your score and account age. Also, you can join the community channel by clicking on Join. Join again. Check your rank on the leaderboard. Enjoy and subscribe. Bye.